Hello everyone, it's Mr. Salimata over here, and in today's lesson we'll be looking at converting improper fractions into mixed numbers. Yes? Okay, so now what is an improper fraction? An improper fraction is made up of a big numerator and a smaller denominator. What do I mean by that? It's a fraction that contains a big numerator and a smaller denominator. So then how do we convert an improper fraction into mixed number? Yes? All what we have to do is we have to divide the denominator into the numerator. Yes? In order for us to have a whole number and a proper fraction. And the easiest way to do that is by using long division. Yes, so let's try to do that and then work out our first question over here. Let us use long division. Okay, so what I mean by that is we are dividing, right? So that's like 10, yes, dividing into what? Into 23, right? 10 into 23 is what? Is 2, right? 2 multiplied by 10 is 20. Yes, we have to subtract there. 23 minus 20 is what? Is 3. Okay, so now let's look at what we've just done over here. Okay, so now these 2 right here, yes, will be our whole number, and this 3 will be our numerator, and then our denominator here, we just have to keep the same denominator that we had in our question over here, which is a what? Which is a 10. Yes, so there we go. We have converted this improper fraction into mixed number. Okay? Okay, so now let us deal with question number 2. We're dealing it in the same way. We just divide 7 into the numerator, 11. 7 into 11 is what? 1. Yes? 1 multiplied by 7 is 7. We just have to what? To subtract. Right? 11 minus 7 is 4. Right? So then our mixed number will be what? The whole number is 1. So yes, the whole number is 1. The numerator is the remainder over here, which is a 4. And we just keep the denominator, which is a 7. Okay? All right, let's deal with question number 3. Okay? Question number 3, we're doing it in the same way. Yeah? That will be what? That will be 5 into 12. 5 into 12 is 2. 2 multiplied by 5 is 10. We subtract. 12 minus 10 is equal to 2. That's our remainder over there, right? Therefore, our mixed number will be what? 2 will be our whole number. Yes. And then this remainder here will be our what? Our numerator, which is 2. And we keep the what? The denominator, 5. Okay. So we have solved question number 3. Now let us look at the last question over there. Yeah. Okay. So we do it in the same way. Yes. We're dividing 5, the denominator, into the numerator. 5 into 28 is 5. 5 multiplied by 5 is 25. And then we just what? Subtract. 28 minus 25 is what? Is 3. Yes. So therefore, our mixed number will be what? Will be 5. Yes, as a whole number. And then the remainder, the 3, will be the numerator. And we just keep the denominator, the 5. Yes, so we have solved this question over here. Or rather, we have converted this improper fraction into a mixed number. Okay,